Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install the Focusrite driver and control app so Windows or Mac OS recognizes the interface. Once done, plug the Scarlett Solo directly into a USB port. Don't use an unpowered hub because that can cause dropouts. Then open your audio settings and choose Scarlett as the default input and output device. Make sure to set a sensible sample rate, typically 44. 1 or 48 kHz, and set the buffer to 128/256 samples to balance latency versus CPU load. Next, you configure inputs and monitoring so recordings are clean and immediate. Plug a microphone into the XLR and set phantom power if you're using a condenser mic. Use the 1/4-inch instrument jack for guitars. Once connected, slowly raise the gain while watching the halo meter. Target green with rare amber so you avoid clipping. Then enable direct monitoring on the Scarlett Solo for zero latency monitoring. This lets you hear yourself in real time while simultaneously sending audio to your DAW for recording. Finally, arm a track in your DAW and select the appropriate Scarlett input channel. Double-check levels one more time to prevent clipping. Record your takes, using punch-in or loop recording for multiple passes, and then export your mix at the session sample rate. If you run into problems, first confirm the USB cable and port, then verify the Focusrite driver and sample rate settings match between the device, operating system, and DAW. Also check OS privacy or mic permissions. Grant access if your DAW can't see the interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.